How to save a Google Doc as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Docs application on your phone. You can view all your Docs files over here. Once you're here, open any file from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Share and Export. And then, tap on Print. On this page, tap on the Share icon at the top right corner. You can view all the sharing options available here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Here, choose the folder you want to save the file to and then tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app on your phone. Go to On My iPhone and tap on the folder you just saved the file to. Here, press and hold the file and then select Get Info. As you can see, this file is now a PDF document. Following these steps, you can easily save a Google Doc as PDF on iPhone.